Okay, RJ. So tell me about the Klaus Way.
Klaus Way. So the great part about Klaus Larsen Roofing and the Klaus Way is that they have their own materials. We do make Sealeron, which is our own ice and water. We make our own decking paper as well, which is a felt paper with a rubberized backing on that as well. They put some really good thought into these two products, especially for safety. These are really good for when these guys are walking on the roof. They get some really good grip with their boots, so it helps them stay secure up on that roof.
Hey, remember, put a Klaus on your house.
The Klaus Way.
The Klaus Way.
The Klaus Way.
Yeah.